Oh, this is incredible. Hey, what's going on, Gearheads? Welcome to Gear Cafe. We're here in Cochrane, Alberta, one of my favorite spots to shoot, and I'm here to show you something that just arrived in the mail. Now, I sent it away to get this special process done, and I'm really excited to actually see it and unbox it with you guys. I had not even looked at it yet. It's still sealed, and I just arrived in the mail literally at 1 o'clock this afternoon. So guys, without further ado, let's crack into this thing. So a couple weeks ago, I had sent 2 items over to SignatureHydroDipping in Edmonton, Alberta. And over the past 2 weeks, I've been in contact with them to be able to hydro dip these 2 items for me. Now he's done. Oh, looks like he segregated all these pieces. So I love the packing. Everything seems to be really well taken care of. There you go, a nice gold decal for the Fusion. Thank you very much. So these 2 items are for our new up-and-coming stereo system that we're going to be doing in the car. So I had sent them the cover for the amplifier and the cover for the subwoofer. And the packing alone, thank you so much for taking such good care in packing this thing, because a lot of things can get damaged, right? I mean, you and I both know that we've all gotten stuff in the mail and literally didn't come as expected. So let me unpack all this so we can see it all at once. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's start with the sub cover. I'm really excited to see this, to be really honest with you. Oh, this is incredible! Oh, you gotta see this. You see that there's silver parts here that I left. Now he's put clear coat over them, and it actually looks better than what it came with factory. It's a cool bronze camo pattern with a base coat of gold to match the rest of our other stuff. They basically clear coat it and base coat it so that when you hydro dip it, it comes out beautifully. I'm so excited about this one. You guys, holy smoke, it's like glass. Look, so this is the amplifier cover. If you guys have never seen the process of hydro dipping, it's quite amazing, and from the quality of the job. Now this is not a new product I sent them. I have an older amplifier that I've been trying to clean up and make it look good, and I was searching for a way to really make it stand out, and this looks immaculate. Look at the shine on that. And look, and basically what he did is he put the he put the base coat, he put the Gear Cafe logo on there, and then removed it after it's hydro dipped, so it comes out in the base coat color. And the clear coat is amazing. I would have liked to show you guys exactly how I sent it to him, because it's an older amplifier, and basically it was all tarnished, and half the black coating that was on there was basically ripped off, and he had sanded it down to bare metal, and then took extra care in putting a nice even coat of gold on there, and then hydro dipping it at like a 45-degree angle, so it make sure it's not to like run. If the guys that you're hydro dipping with, if they don't pay close attention when they're putting it into the tank, it can really ruin the pattern. I'm so jacked to put this on the amp and have it in the car. Now I've been working with another friend of ours, and we're gonna be making a cool custom fiberglass sub enclosure, and these are what are gonna be the focal points on that sub enclosure. So we're gonna have that awesome camo with silver accents. This one has some gold accents, which are the other pieces I received. So let me actually go put these in the car, and then I'll show you the other accents that go with it. Okay, so these are the other couple pieces that go with it, and because of the design of the amplifier, it's got this little ring and little window so you can actually see inside the amp. But like I said, the amplifier was all tarnished and really didn't look that good if I had just put it as it was in the car. So I really had to give it a facelift, and the guys at Signature Hydro Dipping literally did just that. Look. Look at that. Look at that gloss. So you got Signature Hydro Dipping logo on there, and this goes on the whole part of the amplifier. Guys, I couldn't be happier with this. If you are considering getting hydro dipping done to your car, whether it be inside the interior or exterior, they put such attention to detail that the clear coat will protect it from anything. And I know the guys at Signature Hydro Dipping, they do all sorts of products. So if you want goalie masks or a personal mug for yourself that's detailed, anything, if it can be sanded down and painted, it can be hydro dipped. So basically contact them on Facebook, get a hold of them, go talk to them, because their work is fantastic and I'm really, really excited. That's my honest truth. Just to wrap things up, if you like this video that we're doing and you like to support the channel, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if that's what you're into. But as for my verdict on hydro dipping, I definitely will be getting more stuff done. The guys at Signature are fantastic to deal with, and the process was really quick and really easy. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't, but you'd like to, check out some other videos that we've done. I know we got some great content coming up in the next couple months. And remember, do what moves you.